Yo, what's up guys, it's been Nancy with another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to get Adobe for free. So you want to click on the link in the description, and then it'll lead you to a website called Primeire, and then you want to click on download. Adobe just finished, and then it opened up, so you want to press extract to, you want to go to desktop, and then you want to press OK. And now it's going to download. You can exit out of this website now. And yep. And oh yeah, so you can close this now, and you want to open this up, and you want to go to setup, and then it's going to show you this. You guys can't see the screen, but you want to say yes. Okay, so you can choose your language. I'm going to keep it at English, and just leave it at default location and continue. And now it's going to install, and I'll be right back. Okay, when it's done installing, you want to close, and then you want to open up, you want to press your Windows button, and then you just want to drag it from here, and now you have Adobe. So we're just going to click on it, and yeah, this is it. This is Premiere Pro, and it works. Everything's normal, so yep.